Happy Teacher Tuesday! If unfamiliar, my name's Miss Bree, an early childhood education teacher. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button under the screen and clicking on the notification bell to get reminders when new videos are uploaded. Now let's see what's on our schedule for today. Spread the love! Today we are doing Valentine's Day activities! Special delivery? I wonder if it's my Valentine Day activities! I feel like I've gotten special deliveries before. Oh, Tyler! What a surprise to see you! Oh my goodness! Oh, Merry Christmas! Evan! Oh, thank you! I think I'm gonna open this box carefully. Oh, it is what I ordered for my Valentine's Day activities. Look at this giant heart. It's so soft and fluffy. Oh, what a surprise to see you. Oh, thanks. Oh, I can add it to the pile that your brother and you have given me before. I was running kind of low too, so now I'm all stocked up again. Oh, thanks, Evan. Would you like to be my special helper for Valentine's Day activities? Yay! But first, let's get you out of this box. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. No. Oh, nothing happened.
Wait, Miss Bree, your hair's blonde.
My hair's... Oh my goodness! It is blonde. Oh, wow. My fingers must be a little rusty. Okay, well, let's try it again. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Look at the bright side. I mean, your hair is awfully bright. At least you'll be red for Valentine's Day. Okay. You know what? 3rd time's a charm, okay? 3rd time's a charm. Okay, I'm not gonna look. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, thank goodness! Yay! Okay, let's do our activity board. Would you like to point out what our activities are?
Yeah.
Yay! First activity, we will be making heart spin art.
Nice. That's what makes heart spin art.
Good work. Woo! For our second activity, we will be making
cookie dough. Yummy, tiny.
Cookie dough. And that's how you make a healthier version of cookie dough bites.
Cookie everywhere.
For hard spin art, you will need a salad spinner, washable paints, and cut out hearts on cardstock or cardboard. First, you open your salad spinner. Squirt paint all around. Put the heart in. Put the top on. And then mix it up. Should we do your family? Your mom, dad, and your brother Tyler. So who?
And one for me.
And one for you, of course. So who should we do first?
Daddy.
Daddy?
I mean Tyler.
Tyler, you want to do your brother first? Okay, which one should we make? And do you know how to write your brother's name on there?
No.
Okay, how about I'll write it in pencil and then you can trace it?
What's this black and
You can squirt his favorite colors in there.
yellow?
Yellow?
Just gonna squirt it.
Squirt it all around. Next, red.
Next way. Oh, ketchup!
Yeah, we got mustard and ketchup. Orange.
Look at which.
It's gonna be a rainbow. What do you think it's gonna look like when we're done?
Maybe salad?
Well, one thing about a salad is that it has lots of different colors in it.
Like this one.
I wonder if it's gonna look like tie-dye. Have you ever done tie-dye before?
That's enough.
It's gonna come off the table. It's gonna take off. Looks like an airplane that's gonna take off. Ooh.
Ooh la lee.
Very colorful.
You.
And now let's make one for your mom and dad. We put them on parchment paper to dry, and these are Evan's masterpiece. He said he made his mom a chocolate one. That's why it's brown.
That's what makes height spin on.
Woo! Good work. Woo! For cookie dough bites, you will need oatmeal, pure maple syrup, coconut oil, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. First, you need to make oat flour, and you can do this in a food processor. You'll need 1 cup and 2/3. You'll turn it on for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, with your 1 2/3 cups of oat flour, you will put it in a bowl together. So Evan, you can add it. And then next we'll need 3 tablespoons. Do you want to hold the... Do you put maple syrup on your pancakes?
Yeah,
Ooh.
that's so good.
Yeah, can you smell it? It smells so sweet. So 1, 2, and 3. So this is a healthier version of cookie dough. It can be a great dessert alternative or a healthy snack for kids. So next, 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. So Evan's gonna help scoop out the coconut oil and help me put it in the microwave. Evan's gonna be our test taster to know if this is a good cookie dough recipe. Now Evan, you can add it in. And then next we need 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Ooh, smell it. Very vanilla-y. Yeah. Oh, that would be very strong. Oops. Okay, that's good. Evan. Woo! Good thing we didn't do it over the bowl, because we would have probably had at least like 4 tablespoons. Okay, now you want to help me for... Woo! Last, we get to add chocolate chips. But I know that you don't really like chocolate chips, so we don't have to add any.
Yes, I do.
You do? Oh, okay. So I was going to say, let's just skip the chocolate chips.
No, we don't. We do.
Okay, you can pour those in. Okay, now get out your hand. You have to let me know if these chocolate chips are any good. They're good. That's good.
What's the chocolate?
They're very chocolatey. Now you can mix it all up. Look at those strong muscles. This is a no-bake cookie dough. Okay, Evan, ready?
We did no-bake cookie dough.
No-bake means that you don't stick it in the oven. So take a little.
And then this baby.
Yeah, they're kind of like little baby sizes. Take a little and then kind of roll them up. Woo!
Look at this baby.
And then you
This baby
place
goes
them.
like here.
Due to Evan's request, we will be adding how many more chocolate chips?
10.
10.
11. Here's my baby.
We rolled all the cookie dough balls, all different shapes and sizes. Evan, you made one as big as the world. And we let them sit for 5 to 10 minutes. And now we are gonna try them.
Okay, I can do
Okay, Evan, let us know. Of course, he's gonna grab the one as big as the world. You like it? You do? I told Evan to be as completely honest. I said, you will not hurt my feelings. Let me know if this should be a good alternative, healthier version cookie dough. Would you eat this on a regular basis as a snack? Yeah.
Did he eat all cookies?
You want to eat all of them?
I had.
And that's how you make a healthier version of cookie dough bites. Well, thank you so much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day. I had so much fun. Evan had so much fun. And I hope you had fun watching. Well, make sure to subscribe and share this video. And I will see you next time on Teacher Tuesday.